How to change emojis on Snapchat next to names. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually change emojis on Snapchat next to people's names. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. First of all, simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in your search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated Snapchat, let's say you want to actually change the emojis next to names on Snapchat. First of all, launch the Snapchat app. Once you launch the Snapchat app, just tap on your Bitmoji profile on the very top left hand corner of the screen. Once you tap on the Bitmoji avatar, just tap on the gear icon which you see on the very top right hand side. Once you tap on the gear icon again, you'll be able to see a list of all these various options. You simply have to look for the option called Customize Emojis. So right over here above the Ads button and under the Pixel button, you'll find Customize Emojis. Just tap on the Customize Emojis button. And it depends on what kind of emoji you want to change. The ones which appear next to the snap streak, next to your friend's name is snap streak. The ones which appear next to your mutual BFs emoji, you can see this one. You can select mutual besties as well, and you can select any of the emojis which you want over here and then come back. Select besties if you want to change your besties emoji, and then you can just come back again. You can also select snap streak and select any of the emojis which you want to. You can select super BFF, you can select BFF, and so on. However, if you played with it too much and you want to reset all of these values to default, all you have to do is to tap on the reset to default button which you see at the bottom of the screen, and you can see it says, are you sure you want to reset friend emojis? So all you have to do is tap on the reset button if you think you played with it too much and you messed up the setting. But this is basically it. You have to look through each of these settings manually as to what kind of emojis you want to change. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.